God, this is such an old people house, you know? I mean, look at this candy jar. Let's take a look in here. Let's see what you got here. You got licorice. Oh, that's Freedent. Oh, that's good. Yeah. I got a sweet tooth. I think I'll have some Freedent. Yeah. What's this? Oh, a cough drop. A Luden's cough drop. Is that candy? No, I don't think that's candy. I think it's a cough drop. What else we got? Oh, look at this. There's a fishing lure in here. There's a fishing lure in the candy jar. What? Am I supposed to eat this? Eat a fishing lure?